Welcome to Nature Nurture Hub, where your love for plants grows into a thriving garden of knowledge and beauty. Every sunrise brings a fresh promise to your garden, but nothing embodies that golden warmth like the African Marigold Maximix Dwarf, with its vivid yellow and orange blooms. This cheerful plant doesn't just brighten your yard. It lifts your mood, attracts pollinators, and fills your space with the magic of summer sunshine all year long. Whether you're a first-time gardener or someone rediscovering the joy of soil and seeds, growing African Marigold Maximix Dwarf is one of the most rewarding experiences you can bring to your home garden. Let's start by understanding its charm. The African Marigold Maximix Dwarf is known for its compact size, making it ideal for garden borders, containers, and balcony pots. Unlike taller varieties, the dwarf type stays neat and manageable, perfect for those who want color without chaos. The blooms are large, double-petaled, and come in shades of sunshine yellow, warm orange, and golden amber, creating a cheerful display that lasts all summer. To grow these golden beauties successfully in the US, sunlight is your best friend. African Marigold Maximix Dwarf thrives in full sun, at least 6 hours a day. Whether you live in California, Florida, or Texas, these plants love the warm rays of the sun and reward you with richer colors and sturdier stems. However, if you're gardening in cooler states or during mild seasons, place your marigolds where they receive the maximum daylight exposure. Avoid too much shade. It can lead to weak stems and fewer blooms. Temperature plays an equally vital role. The ideal range for growing African Marigold Maximix Dwarf is between 65°F and 75°F during the day and not below 50°F at night. In regions with unpredictable weather, start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Once the soil warms and nighttime temperatures remain above 55°F, you can safely transplant them outdoors. Always use well-draining soil. Marigolds despise soggy roots. Mix compost or organic matter to ensure proper aeration and nutrient balance. Watering is one of the most crucial parts of marigold care. While they are heat-tolerant, African Marigold Maximix Dwarf performs best with a consistent watering schedule. Water deeply when the top inch of soil feels dry, but don't let the soil stay waterlogged. Overwatering can cause root rot, which weakens the plant and attracts fungus gnats. Water in the early morning so the foliage dries by evening, reducing the risk of leaf diseases. For container-grown plants, check moisture more frequently since pots dry faster in the sun. Fertilizing African Marigold Maximix Dwarf isn't complicated, but must be balanced. Overfeeding with nitrogen-heavy fertilizers can lead to lush green leaves and fewer flowers. Instead, use a balanced 10-10-10 or 5-10-5 fertilizer once every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Organic compost or a diluted fish emulsion also works wonders, encouraging continuous blooming without overwhelming the plant. Remember, marigolds are naturally strong bloomers. Gentle feeding keeps them thriving. When it comes to pruning, African Marigold Maximix Dwarf loves a little grooming. Deadhead spent flowers regularly to encourage new blooms. This small act helps redirect energy into flower production instead of seed formation. If your plant begins to look leggy or uneven, lightly trim the stems back by 1/3. This promotes bushier growth and keeps the plant compact and tidy throughout the season. Common problems can arise even for the most careful gardeners, but each has a simple fix. If you notice leaves curling or turning pale, your marigold might be suffering from spider mites or aphids. A light spray of neem oil or insecticidal soap works well for organic pest control. Powdery mildew can appear in humid areas. Improve air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent this. Yellowing leaves often indicate overwatering or poor drainage. Adjusting your watering schedule can bring quick recovery. Another common issue is bloom drop, which can occur when temperatures fluctuate too quickly or when the soil becomes too dry between waterings. Keeping a consistent moisture level and protecting the plant from harsh afternoon winds usually solves it. For gardeners in dry U.S. regions, a thin layer of organic mulch around the base helps retain soil moisture and prevent overheating. African Marigold Maximix Dwarf isn't just easy to care for. It's a powerhouse pollinator attractor. Bees, butterflies, and even beneficial insects adore its nectar-rich blooms. If you're also growing vegetables nearby, marigolds help repel nematodes and harmful soil pests, making them one of the best companion plants in the garden. In design, the versatility of this flower shines. You can plant African Marigold Maximix Dwarf along garden borders, walkways. You are as bright companions in pots mixed with petunias and salvia. Their dense, uniform blooms create a perfect low hedge effect that glows like a sunset when evening light hits. To enjoy blooms all season, sow seeds successively every few weeks. Each planting will mature at a slightly different time, ensuring your garden stays colorful from spring until the first frost. When fall arrives, you can collect seeds from dried flower heads to plant again next season. A cost-free, sustainable way to keep your garden glowing year after year. For winter, if you live in frost-prone areas, grow African Marigold Maximix Dwarf in containers so they can be moved indoors when temperatures drop. Place them near sunny windows and reduce watering frequency during colder months. In summary, growing African Marigold Maximix Dwarf is a joyful, simple, and deeply rewarding experience. You with the right sunlight, moderate watering, balanced feeding, and occasional pruning, you'll have a garden that bursts with golden cheer. These compact marigolds prove that beauty doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs care, attention, and a touch of love from your green thumb. Start your gardening journey today and transform your outdoor space into a glowing heaven of color and life. Every flower you nurture brings not just beauty, but calm, balance, and connection to nature. Grow African Marigold Maximix Dwarf with confidence, and let your garden be the sunshine you wake up to every morning. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture Hub, your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.